Mathematics Class 12, Chapter 7, Integrals, Exercise 7.3. In this exercise, we are supposed to use the trigonometric identity and solve the integrals. Find integrals of given function in question exercise 1 to 22. Question number 1, sin square 2x plus 5. Take this as I equal to integral sin square 2x plus 5 dx. Sin square, there is one identity, sin square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. For sin square, this is the identity. But here instead of x, I have got 2x plus 5. So here you place 2x plus 5. So I use this integral 1 as it is minus cos and 2 as it is. Instead of x, you put this x. So this 2x plus 5 divided by these 2 dx. Multiply 2 inside, so 2 into 2 4x plus 2 into 5 is 10. It should be 10 here. I have changed into 10. Now give denominator to both the numerators. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 cos 4x plus 10 dx. Separate the integral. 1 by 2 integral dx minus 1 by 2 integral cos 4x plus 10 dx. Integral of dx is x minus 1 by 2 cos integral is sin 4x plus 10. Here coefficient of x is 4 divided by 4 plus c. Then this 1 into x is x by 2 minus 1 by 4 into 2 is 8. This sin 4x plus 5 plus c as it is. Question number 2, sin 3x cos 4x. We know the identity is this one, 2 cos x sin y. I require 2 here. So you multiply and divide by 2. So multiply and divide by 2. So I divide here 1 by 2. Integral 2. I am writing cos 4x first. So cos 4x minus sin 3x. Usually we write the 3x and 4x. From there, which is the bigger one, we write the first one, dx. Now use the identity 2 cos x sin y is equal to sin x plus y minus sin x minus y. Now here instead of x it is 4x and instead of y you have got 3x. So I'll apply sin x plus y. So sin x means 4x plus y means 3x minus sin x that is 4x minus y that is minus 3x dx. Sin 4 plus 3 is 7x minus sin 4 minus 3 is 1 that is sin x dx. Separate the integrals. 1 by 2 integral sin 7x dx minus 1 by 2 integral sin dx. Integral of sin is minus cos 7x divided by the coefficient of x that is 7 minus 1 by 2 sin derivative is minus cos x plus c. So here you get minus 2 into 7 is 14 cos 7x minus a minus plus 1 by 2 cos x plus c. Question number 3, cos 2x, cos 4x, cos 6x. The same way, but here 3 terms are there. So first I will write the higher one first. So I will write integral cos 6x, cos 4x, cos 2x dx. Here also I am going to use formula 2 cos x cos y. So multiply and divide by 2. So 1 by 2 integral 2 cos 6x, cos 4x, cos 2x dx. So I will use the formula 2 cos x cos y. I have written here using cos 2 cos x cos y is equal to cos x plus y cos x minus y. For the first one x is 6x and y is 4x. So I put 1 by 2 cos 6x plus 4x plus cos x is 6x and y is 4x cos dx. That 1 cos dx cos 2x remains, that you keep as it is cos 2x. 1 by 2 cos 6 plus 4 is 10x plus cos 6 minus 4 is 2x. This cos 2x as it is. Multiply inside, so cos 10x cos 2x plus cos 2x into cos 2x dx. Again here I can use the formula, the same formula will be used. So I can multiply and divide by 2. So 1 by 2, this 2 is there, into 2 cos 10x cos 2x plus 2, this cos into cos, I can write cos square 2x dx. For this I can use direct formula 1 plus cos 2x. Otherwise you use the same formula which you use for this, that is this formula. Okay, cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. So I am using here, so you get here 1 by 4, this 2 into 2 4, integral cos 10 plus 2 12x plus cos 10 minus 2 8x plus this formula I am writing this one 1 plus, but here it is x, so becomes 2x. If it is 2x it will become 4x. So 1 plus 4x dx. So that is the conversion for this. Or you use the same formula this one, you will get the same answer, 1 plus cos 4x you will get. So 1 by 4, give integral separately. So integral cos 12x dx plus integral cos 8x dx plus integral dx plus integral cos 4x dx. Integral of cos is sin 12x divided by the coefficient of x that is 12 plus integral of cos is sin 8x divided by the coefficient of x that is 8 plus integral of 1 is x plus cos 4x is sin 4x by 4 plus c. So that is the answer for question number 3. Question number 4. Sin cube 2x plus 1. Call this as I equal to integral sin cube 2x plus 1 dx. Sin cube can be written as sin square into sin. So I have written sin square 2x plus 1 sin 2x plus 1. Now this sin square can be written as using the identity 1 minus cos square. So I write integral 1 minus cos square 2x plus 1 and this sin 2x plus 1 dx as it is. Now take cos as t. So let cos 2x plus 1 equal to t. Differentiate cos derivatives minus sin 2x plus 1. When you do 2x, it will get 2 here. So 2 here. Now in this you don't require 2. So the 2 which is here minus 2 which you transfer here, it will go in the denominator. So here remains sin 2x plus 1 dx is equal to minus 1 by 2 dt. Okay, now we'll substitute the value here. So 1 cos you have taken as t, so t square minus sin 2x plus 1 dx. Instead of this you are writing minus 1 by 2 dt. So this minus is because of the differential of this. So minus 1 by 2 dt. Multiply inside, so 1 into minus, that is minus 1 by 2 integral dt. Minus and minus plus 1 by 2 integral t square dt. Integral of dt is t plus this minus 1 by 2 as it is. 1 by 2 t power 2 you use x power n, that is t power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus c. So here gives you minus 1 by 2 t plus 1 by 2 into plus 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. So 2 into 3 and this t power 3 plus c. Put the value of t back. T you have taken as cos 2x plus 1. So you put minus 1 by 2 cos 2x plus 1 plus this 1 by 6 cos cube 2x plus 1 plus c. That is the answer for question number 4. Question number 5. Sin cube x cos cube x. Call it as I integral sin cube x cos cube x dx. Sin cube writing as sin square x into sin x and this cos cube x dx as it is. Sin square can be written as 1 minus cos square x. Then this cos cube I am writing as cos cube x and sin x dx, just interchanging. Now here I will take cos x as t. So let cos x equal to t. Differentiate. When you take substitution you have to differentiate. So cos derivatives minus sin x dx equal to dt. Here you don't require negative. So this minus you transfer here. So minus dt. Sin x dx equal to minus dt. Now substitute the value. 1 is as it is minus. Cos is taken as a t. So t square. And cos here also t, but it is power 3. And sin x dx from here it is minus dt. So minus dt. Multiply inside. So integral 1 into t cube. So t cube and this minus dt. So minus dt. Minus and minus plus integral t square into t cube gives you t power 5 dt. So t power 5 dt. Integral now. So t cube use x power n. This also x power n. So t power 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1. Then plus t power 5 plus 1 divided by 5 plus 1 plus c. So 3 t power 4 divided by 4 minus t power 4 by 4 plus t power 6 divided by 6 plus c. Put the value of t, that is cos. You get minus 1 by 4 cos power 4x plus 1 by c cos power 6x plus c. So there is the answer for question number 5. Question number 6. Sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x. Call this integral I is equal to integral sin 3x, sin 2x, sin x dx. I have just written this big sin 3x first and sin 2x second and sin x last. Then here I will use first sin x, sin x, sin y. I will use the formula. So for that I need to multiply and divide by 2. So multiply and divide by 2. So I is equal to 1 by 2, 2 sin 3x, sin 2x, sin x dx. So the formula is 2 sin x, sin y equal to cos x minus y minus cos x plus y. So here x is 3x and y is 2x. So you put here 1 by 2 integral. First cos x minus y. So cos x is 3x minus 2x minus cos x plus y. So 3x plus 2x and this sin x dx as it is. Cos 3 minus 2 is 1x minus cos 3 plus 2 is 5x. So cos 5x and this sin x dx as it is. Multiply inside, give it, so equal to 1 by 2 cos x into sin x minus cos 5x into sin x dx. Again here I can use the same formula. So I will use, not same formula, here I can use sin cos x to cos x cos y. Okay, so I will use divide and multiply by 2. So again divide, multiply by 2. So 1 by 2 is here, into 2 into again 2. So both sides it will come 2 sin x cos x minus 2 cos 5x sin x dx. Now this is the formula. 2 sin x cos x gives you sin 2x, and for this I will use cos x 2 cos x sin y, which is sin x plus y minus sin x minus y. So here 1 by 2 into 2 4 integral, this formula is sin 2x minus sin, so sin x plus y, so x is 5 plus 1, so 5x plus x minus sin x minus y, so 5x minus x dx. So this gives you the sin 2x is as it is, and integral also I am separating, so 1 by 4 into bracket integral sin 2x dx minus sin 5 plus 1 is 6 dx plus integral sin 5 minus 1 is 4x dx. Now we integrate it, so sin integral is minus cos 2x divided by the coefficient of x, that is 2, so divide by 2, minus here sin integral is minus cos 6x divided by coefficient of x, that is 6, so divide by 6, plus sin integral is minus cos 4x divided by the coefficient of x, that is 4, so divide by 4. Then here minus 1 by 2, this 2 I am taking here, this 1 by 4 as it is, this is cos 2x, minus and minus plus, this 6 1 by 6 written here, and cos 6x, minus plus into minus minus, this 1 by 4 I write is 1 by 4 cos 4x plus c. So that is the answer for question number 6. Question number 7, sin 4x sin 8x, call this as I equal to integral sin 8x sin 4x dx, multiply and divide by 2, so 1 by 2 integral 2 sin 8x sin 4x dx. Now using the formula sin x sin y equal to cos x minus y minus cos x plus y, so here x is 8x and y is 4x, so I apply here this 1 by 2 integral cos, first cos x minus y, so 8x minus 4x minus cos x plus y, so cos 8x plus 4y dx. So 8 minus 4 gives you 4x, that is cos 4x dx, minus 8 plus 4 gives you 12, so cos 12 dx. Separately integral, so I have integrated here separately, so cos integral is sin 4x divided by coefficient of x, that is 4, so divide by 4, minus cos integral is sin 12x divided by the coefficient of x, that is 12 here, so divide by 12. So you get 1 by 2 sin 4x by 4 minus sin 12x by 12 plus c. Question number 8, 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x. Therefore, call this as I integral 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x dx. Here I will use 1 minus cos x as the formula 1 minus cos 2x equal to 2 sin square x, and 1 plus cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x. Here it is x. So if 2x, then I am writing x. So if it is x, I write x by 2. Here also x is there, and here I have used 2x, then writing x. So here x will become x by 2. So I write here directly I is equal to, instead of 2, this 2 sin square x by 2, and this 2 cos square x by 2. 2 you cut, sin by cos gives you 10 square. So integral 10 square x by 2 dx. 10 square, there is no formula. So first we write this identity sec square x minus 1. So sec square x by 2 minus 1 dx. Separate the integral. So integral sec square x by 2 dx minus integral dx. This integral is 10 x by 2. Then coefficient of x here 1 by 2. So you divide by 1 by 2. So 1 by 1 by 2. These 2 will go up. Integral of dx is x, but here minus is there, plus c. So 2 will go up. So you get 2 10 x by 2 minus x plus c. So that is the answer for question number 8. Question number 9. Integral cos x divided by 1 plus cos x dx. Here see, this I will try to get the numerator like the denominator. For that I am adding 1 and minusing 1. So add 1 minus 1, so you get 1 plus cos x minus 1 denominator as it is. Now for the first, these 2 divide by this, and this one divide by this. Separate the numerator and denominator. So I will write 1 plus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x dx minus integral also I am separating. So 1 divided by 1 plus cos x dx. Okay, these cancel, so get 1 dx minus this I am using the formula 1 plus cos x, this one. Okay, 1 plus cos 2x as 2 cos square x, but here it is x, so I will write 2 cos square x by 2. This 1 by 2 you take out, and 1 by cos square can be taken in the numerator as sec square x by 2 dx, and integral of 1 dx is x, and integral of sec square is, we know it is 10 x by 2, and coefficient of x is 1 by 2, so divide by 1 by 2, and here already 1 by 2 is there, so that 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, these 2 cut, so what you get is x minus 10 x by 2 plus c. Question number 10. Integral sin power 4x dx. This signs can be written, sine power 4 can be written as sine square whole square. So integral sine square x whole square dx. Now I'll use the identity sine square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. So I write instead of sine x 1 minus cos 2x by 2 whole square dx. This 1 by 2 power will become 1 by 4 that I am taking out of integral. And this is 1 minus a means a minus b whole square. So I'll use the expansion a minus b whole square. So it is 1 square is 1 minus 2 cos 2x into 1 plus cos square 2x dx. Again this is cos square, so I will use the same formula here, not the same formula actually. It comes to be, instead of if it is cos square x, the formula is 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. So you use this formula, it is 1 plus cos 2x by 2. So I will use here 1 plus, instead of it is x then 2x, here 2x then becomes 4x by 2 dx. Now separately integral, so and 1 by 4 also I am multiplying, so 1 by 4 into 1, so 1 by 4 integral dx, minus 2 divided by 4 integral cos 2x dx, plus 1 by 2, and this also I am separating, so 1 by 2 into this 4, so 1 by 4 into 2 integral dx, plus this one, so here 1 by 2 and this 1 by 4 here, so 4 into 1, and this integral cos 4x dx. Integral of dx is x minus 2 by 2 and 4, so you cut by 2, so get 1 by 2. Cos integral is sine 2x and divide by the coefficient of x, that is 2 divided by 2, plus 4 into 2 8. Integral of dx is x plus 1 by 4 into 2 is 8. Cos integral is sine 4x divided by the coefficient of x, that is 4 plus c. This 1 by 8x and 1 by 4x, this can be combined together. So I write 1 by 4x plus 1 by 8x. This one is 2 into 2 4, so 1 by 4 sine 2x. Here 8 into 4 32, so 1 by 32 sine 4x plus c. Take LCM, LCM is 8. So here you multiply by 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3x by 8 minus this one 1 by 4 sine 2x plus 1 by 32 sine 4x plus c. Question number 11. Integral cos power 4 2x dx. This cos power 4 I can write as cos square 2x power 2 dx. Cos square x, I'll use the cos square 2x, for that I'll use the formula cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Here 2x, so here 2x, and it will give you here 4x. So I'll apply here integral 1 plus cos, here 2x, so 2 into 2 4x divided by 2 whole square dx. This 1 by 2 whole square I can take as 1 by 4. Here remains 1 plus cos 4x square. I can expand using a plus b whole square, which gives you 1 plus 2 cos 4x plus cos square 4x dx. Then I'll separate the integral 1 by 4 integral 1 dx, here 2 by 4 integral cos 4x dx, plus this can be written as this 1 by 4 which is out I am bringing here, and this again I'll use the same formula, but here it is 4x, so this will give you 4 into 2 8x, so 1 plus cos 8x by 2 dx. I am multiplying here also. Now integral this, integral of 1 dx is x, so 1 by 4 x, plus this you cut by 2, so 1 by 2 cos integral is sine 4x divided by 4, plus 4 into 2 8, integral of 1 will be x, plus integral of cos will be sine 8x divided by the coefficient of x, that is 8 plus c. Here this one and this 2 1 you can combine together, take the LCM, they are x term, they are like term, LCM is 8, so multiply here by 2, 2 plus 1 gives you 3, so 3x by 8 plus 2 into 4 is 8, so 1 by 8 sine 4x plus 8 into 8 is 64, so 1 by 64 sine 8x plus c. So that is the answer for question number 11. Question number 12. Integral sine square x divided by 1 plus cos x dx. Sine square, I am using the formula sine 2x, that is 2 sine x cos x. Here sine x is there, so I'll use sine x by 2 cos x by 2. So 2 sine x by 2 cos x by 2, and power is 2, so power square. And here 1 plus cos x, I'll use 2 cos square x by 2, so 2 cos square x by 2. Now give square to here, so 2 square is 4 sine square x by 2 cos square x by 2, denominator 2 cos square x by 2 dx. This cos square x by 2 cut, 4 cut by 2, so you get here 2, so you get 2 sine square x by 2 dx. Again we know this formula, 2 sine square x by 2 plus 1 cos 1 minus cos x, so I'll put here 1 minus cos x dx. Separate the integral, so integral dx minus integral cos x dx. Integral of dx is x and cos is sin x, so answer is x minus sin x plus c. So we'll keep this much. Thank you very much.